So welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Rakhi Singh and once again I'm back with new haul video. And मैंने last time जब ये वाला haul किया था ना, I got such a good response from you guys and you guys were requesting कि इस तरह के इस तरह के haul और बनाइए. So आज का जो video है, it is going to be a huge jeans haul. So after really long, I got some amazing jeans and I'm sure you guys are going to love this haul since I have got everything like rug, mom, paper bag and then high waist, that button wali jeans जो मुझसे सब लोग पूछते रहते हैं कि ये आपने कहाँ से ली है. So I shopped from Myntra and Ajio. I tried to pick the best jeans I could and that's why I really wish कि आप लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आएगा. And if you do like this video, do let me know in the comment section which jeans you like the most and what next video you want to watch on my channel. And yep, that's it. Now let's move to the video without any further ado. So I will start with the jeans I bought from Ajio. This is the first one. It's a bootcut jeans from the brand Denizen Women's. इसमें जो मैंने साइज लिया है वो है 28. ये वाली जीन्स काफ़ी अफोर्डेबल है, फैब्रिक भी काफ़ी अच्छा है, नॉट दैट बैड. बट सिंस इट्स अ लो वेस्ट जीन्स एज यू कैन सी एंड मुझे पर्सनली लो वेस्ट जीन्स पसंद नहीं है इतना ज़्यादा. बट अगर आप शॉर्ट हाइट हैं तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर इट. शॉर्ट हाइट पे लो वेस्ट जीन्स और बूट कट जीन्स बहुत अच्छी लगती है और एक अच्छा सा टॉल लुक देती है. ये 5 पॉकेट स्टाइलिंग के साथ आती है. ये इसमें इसका जो फैब्रिक है वो है 83% कॉटन, 14% पॉलिएस्टर एंड 30% इलास्टिन. ये सिंगल बटन क्लोजर के साथ आती है. कलर एंड द पैटर्न इज ऑल्सो गुड बट ओनली द पार्ट आई डिड नॉट लाइक अबाउट दिस वन कि ये लोवेस्ट है और लोवेस्ट आई डोंट प्रेफर लोवेस्ट. बट अदरवाइज दिस इज अ रियली नाइस जीन्स. यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर दिस वन एंड इफ यू आर माई बॉडी टाइप देन आई वुड सजेस्ट you to go for a bigger size. Just go for 30. It will be a little comfortable than this one. So yeah. Now coming to the next jeans from Ajio, and this is one of my favorite jeans since you know how much I love high waist jeans. And this is a wide leg blue jeans. This comes in 4 different shades, so you can go for any of the shades. The size I'm wearing right now is 30 and it's from the brand Outright. Quite affordable. The fabric is just amazing, super duper comfortable. I loved it the most. And you guys must have seen my high waist blue jeans which is again from Ajio and the quality was amazing, seriously. And if you haven't seen that one then you can follow me on Instagram because there I have been sharing everything. Anyway, so this is the jeans and quite affordable, really nice fabric. So in short I would say this is the best and you should definitely go for this one. So yeah, it's a big thumbs up. Now coming to the third jeans which is again from Ajio and this is from the brand Spiker. Initially I thought Spiker is a good brand so I bought it but personally I did not like it much. Comes with the lace up details on the side, 5 pocket styling. It's a mid-rise jeans. The fabric is 98% cotton and 2% elastane. Also it has some rug detailing as well. But since I did not like the color, moreover I did not like the fitting of this one. Though I am wearing a size 30 in this jeans but ये मुझे फिर भी थोड़ा सा tight लग रहा है. And moreover it's a skinny jeans, so if you guys like to wear skinny jeans then you can definitely go for this one. The price was okay. I think it was somewhere around 700 or 800. So yeah, this is the next one. Now coming to my next favorite jeans which is again from Ajio and from the same brand Outright. Again ये almost similar वाली type की jeans है, high waist है. The shade is also similar except ये 4 button detailing के साथ आती है और वो zip closer के साथ आती है. इसमें भी 4 shades available हैं, इसमें सारे sizes आते हैं. इसका fabric भी 100% cotton है, 5 pocket styling के साथ आती है. And again one of my favorite as I already mentioned and this is a really nice. नीचे से wide leg jeans है, super comfortable and price wise ये थोड़ी ज़्यादा affordable है उससे. I think that was for 1100 or something and this one is somewhere around 800 or 900, so you can go for any of that. Both are almost similar and both are really nice. So yep, that is the next one. Now coming to the last product from Ajio and this one is from the brand United Colors of Benetton which is a very renowned brand of course. So definitely the quality is superb. and love the pattern of this jeans. This is a rug jeans and this gives a very cool vibes. And moreover ये boyfriend jeans है तो नीचे से काफी narrow है, ऊपर से एकदम loose fitted है. Totally loved it. Love the comfort of this one. Quite expensive. I think it's somewhere around 1200 or 1300. But if you look at the brand and if you look at the pattern and the jeans quality, then I think it's totally worth it. This is a 5-pocket styling jeans with a mid-rise, 98% cotton fabric, 2% elastane, and this is again very nice. And I would definitely give it a thumbs up for the price, for the pattern, and for everything you can say. So yep, that is the next one and the last one from Ajio. Now coming to Myntra, and the first jeans I got from the brand Sassafras, and trust me, more than a jeans, it's like a kambal. The fabric is so thick. It's not even denim. It's very thick denim, and because of that you won't be able to wear it. Although it looks nice, but it's not easy to carry, not that much comfortable. Looks good, but the fabric quality I did not like, and it's not at all worth your money. This is a mid-rise pleated stretchable slouchy jeans. Fabric is cotton, comes with 2 side pockets only, and personally I did not like it. Now coming to the next jeans from Myntra. This is from the brand Tokyo Tokis. This is quite affordable, and this is a flared high-rise jeans with a cropped length. Fabric of this one is cotton. This comes with 5 pockets and a fabric belt, as you can see. This is non-stretchable and comes with a heavy fade. Again, fabric and look wise, it's a nice jeans. You can definitely go for this one, and the price also is quite affordable. So yep, this is the next product. Next up, coming to the slim fit high rise clean look jeans from the brand Miss Chase, and again from Myntra. It's a high rise jeans with cropped length and it's very stretchable, as you can see. So if your waist size is 30, then you can go for 28 for this brand and for this jeans basically. This comes with 5 pockets with belt loops, button and zip closer, and the fabric is again cotton. It's very comfortable, but again I did not like it because of 2 reasons. One, the price, it's not that affordable as per the fabric quality, and second, I did not like the pattern and the shade. Moreover, इसकी जो waist है वहाँ से ये loose है और thighs पे से tight है, so not that good fitting. So yeah, that is the next one. Now coming to the next jeans, which is again from the brand Sassafras, but this one is far better than the last one. The price is really good. It's a regular fit jeans with a mid-rise with no fades, 2 side pockets, 2 front pockets, no side pockets, no back pockets. Fabric is again cotton, comes with a button and zip closer. This is a paperback jeans, so if you like these type of jeans, you can definitely go for it. I really like the pattern, the shade, the price, everything is good, so it's a thumbs up for this one again. Now coming to the second last jeans, which is from the brand Dressberry, and again it's not at all worth it or not at all good. It's a charcoal black color jeans. I thought it is looking good. I bought it just because of the color, but I did not like the fitting of this one. It's high waist, but from the thighs, as you can see, it gives a very weird fitting. It's a stretchable jeans, comes with a heavy fade, and the fabric of this one is cotton plus polyester. This comes with 5 pockets, but I did not like it personally. So if you guys also bought this jeans, do let me know in the comment section what are your views on this, because for me it's not good at all. Now coming coming to the last product of this haul video, which is again from the brand Sassafras. It's a regular fit high rise jeans, and the price of this one is somewhere around 700 or 800, quite affordable. It's again a paper bag jeans. This comes with a high rise non stretchable regular fit, two side pockets with belt loops, and the fabric of this one is cotton. And just one thing I did not like about this one, that the zip is on the left side, which is really uncomfortable. Apart from this, everything is really good. The fabric quality is really great. Price is also good. So yep, so if you are comfortable with that zip closer, you can definitely go for this one. And yep, this is the last product. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and thank you for watching, guys. Do let me in the comment section what next video you want to watch on my channel. Thank you for watching. I love you. Bye.